Hey guys, welcome to this video in which I'm going to tell you that how you can draw this ladybug in Infinite Painter. But before that, please subscribe to your channel to get more awesome content like this. And you can also watch my other videos on my channel in which I made some amazing arts like these. So let's get started. So guys, first of all, you need to choose a color that is a red color, of course, for the ladybug for the center body. And I'm here using a monoline brush from calligraphy slot for the main body of the ladybug. So you need to make an oval for that and just fill it up with the color red, and then you can make little changes in the shape and size of the body or the thing that you are making using the wrap option, and just make changes a little as you want it, like I'm doing here using many options from the wrap option, and then we will move forward. So now guys, I'm using here symmetry vertical option from the symmetry slot. So take an example, if you are making something on left, so it will automatically appear on the right using this option. And now we are about to go to the upper body, make a curve like this, and then make a dome like structure like this, and just fill it up with the black color. Of course, you can make some changes in the size and shape using the wrap option, and I'm here adding a light effect on the top of that using the Bensky brush from Legacy slot. Now guys, make a oval like structure like this and fill it up with the black color, and you can of course change the shape and size according to you using the wrap option. Now adding more detail on top of that using the Bensky brush from Legacy option. And now I'm here adding some patterns and the eye of the ladybug on top of that, so you can just follow me along. Now guys, choose soft taper brush from calligraphy slot for making the parts of the upper body, and just see me that how I'm using the wrap option to make some changes in it, to make size differences in it. Now coming to the main body of the beetle, I'm here using Bensky brush from Legacy option for the shadows, for the darkness on the right side and the lightness on the left side of the body. Just to follow me along that how I am doing it. Now guys, again using the Bensky brush, I'm making some of the details, minor details on the body of the ladybug, and I'm here using white and black color for that to make a contrast image of this ladybug. And now guys, I'm making more patterns on the body, and I'm here using symmetry option, vertical symmetry option, so it will appear on both the sides. Now guys, I'm making here darkness on the right side so it will look more realistic, and adding more details on the patterns of the ladybug using the black and white color using the Bensky brush from Legacy option. And guys, now the last part is to add the legs on the beetle using the soft taper brush from calligraphy option. So the trick is to make it in parts, just little parts like this I'm doing in here. Just follow me along that how I'm doing and you will be done with it. Now guys, just duplicate the layer that we are just working on, and you can just drag it to the right side using the wrap option for making the shadows. Just drag it to the right, and you need to lower the opacity to make it look more real, and then you need to go to the filter option for the blurriness, so you can just go to the filters and then go to the blur option, and you can just adjust the blur as you wanted it. Now guys, do the same with the whole body and just drag it to the right and lower the opacity, and you are done with the shadows. So guys, we are done with this drawing and hope you made it out, and if you enjoyed watching this video and you learned something from it, just subscribe the channel and like this video and share it with your friends, and you can comment down below that do you like it or not, so I can make more videos for you. So thank you so much for watching this video.